September 9, Monday. Yan traffic situation kasi yan sa Barty Road. Yan Sinclair College is nandun sa side na yon. Smooth ang takbo ng traffic guys, walang traffic. Actually stoplight, nakastop yan kasi nasa stoplight guys eh. Kaya medyo stop muna siya. Okay. Ang haba ng pila dun oh. Yan sa Barty Road. Yan Sinclair College is just around here. Yan still going to Bayan. Yan yung Kai Mall, bagong Kai Mall, going to Kiko. Yan ang traffic going to Novaliches Bayan, Susan Road. Ito guys ay sa Barty Road extension. Yan going to Novaliches yan, mga motor na guys going to Novaliches yan, going to Bayan Novaliches. May going to Kiko. Yan, that's Kuya, may traffic lights nandun, traffic enforcer, naka red lights. Yeah guys, yes, liwanag pa guys, ayun oh, araw. Yes guys, yeah. Situation yan, yung galing sa Bayan guys, galing Novaliches, yung mga sakyan na yun guys. Yan, going to Kiko. Thank you guys. Andun, puntang Novaliches. Yung Robinson's Mall dun guys yun. Yes guys, September 9, 5:30 PM. May maliwanag pang araw guys oh. Sa Barty Mall. Yes guys, may mga deliveries dito guys oh. Mga red ribbon doon. Okay naman takbo guys. I-renovate ang McDo sa kabila guys. Yan. Okay, yeah. That's it. Situation na guys sa Barty Road. Dito ako pupunta guys sa Red Ribbon.